Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the frame rate on the Cookie Run Kingdom application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This is my Cookie Village and you can find different buttons. Go to the three line at the upper right corner of the screen under the letter button, and here go to the last option, the settings. In the game performance section, go to the first option, the frame rate, and you can select the 30 or the 60. Actually I use the 60 frame rate, but if you want to use the other, just click to the star icon, and if it will be turned green, you can use the 30 FPS. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.